You might be closer to your breakthrough than you think. And I'm not just saying that to motivate you. Most creators don't fail because they are bad. They fail because they quit right before YouTube pushes them. Yes, right before the algorithm tests their content. Right before impression increases. Right before subscribers start coming in. They stop. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 real signs that YouTube is testing your channel. They are not motivational quotes. They are algorithm signal. If you see at least 2 of these signs on your channel right now, don't quit. Keep pushing because your breakthrough might already be loading. Let's start with the first one, and this one is very subtle. Sign number 1, your click-through rate slowly increasing. If your click-through rate is slowly going up, that's not random. That means your title and your thumbnail are improving. Now let me explain this in a very simple way. When YouTube shows your video, let's say hundreds of people, and 5 people clicks, that's a 5% click-through rate. Now if next week 7 people click, that's 7% click-through rate. That's a small difference. That small difference, that's huge, because YouTube pay attention to improvement, not perfection, but improvement. Most beginners think my video didn't go viral, I failed. No, you did not fail. What YouTube is asking is, are people clicking more than before? Even a 1% increase is a signal. And here is what advanced creators understand. YouTube does not need you to be viral. It needs you to be predictable. If your click-through rate rises slowly, YouTube gains confidence in your packaging. And when YouTube gains confidence, it increases impression. But here is the problem. Most creators never even check their click-through rate. They just look at their views. Now, are you tracking your click-through rate weekly, or are you just hoping? Because if your click-through rate rises quietly, you are closer than you think. Now, let's talk about something even more powerful, which is sign number 2. One video gets more impression than usual. This one is big. When one of your videos suddenly gains more impression than the average, that is not luck. This is a test. Let's say your usual videos get 500 impressions. Then suddenly one picked up to 4K, 5K impressions. That's YouTube saying, let's try this one. But here is where most creators rail it. They panic. They overanalyze. They stop posting. Or worst, they change their niche. Listen carefully. When YouTube tests your video, it is checking 3 things. Are people clicking? Are they watching? Are they satisfied? Those 3 things are the things YouTube is checking when they test your video. If your video performs decently during that test, YouTube will test it again to a bigger audience. But if you disappear during that period, you break momentum. Advanced creators know something beginners don't know. When YouTube tests one video, it is also evaluating your channel's consistency. So if you see a random impression spikes, don't relax. Double down, post again, because tests are opportunities. Now let's move to the most powerful sign, which is sign number 3. Your average watch time is increasing. If people are watching your video longer than before, you are winning. Even when views are small, retention is powerful. Now, let me simplify this. If someone clicks your video and leaves after 20 seconds, YouTube loses trust. If someone stays for 4 minutes, that tells YouTube that your video is valuable. Now, here is something very important. You don't need 80% retention. You just need improvement. If your average view duration used to be 1 and now it has moved to 2, that's 100% growth. And most creators ignore this. They focus on views while YouTube focus on satisfaction. Ask yourself, are people staying to watch my video longer than before? Are they watching past the intro? Are they reaching the middle? If yes, then you are building the algorithm trust, and trust leads to distribution. But wait, there is a traffic source that changes everything, which is sign number 4. Browse future traffic appeared. If you start seeing the traffic source of your video is coming from your browse feature in your analytics, that is big. Browse means YouTube is putting your video on the home page, not search, not external, home page. That means YouTube is recommending your content. Even if it's small, even if it's 10%, that is a signal, because home page traffic is how channels grows fast. Beginners usually grow from search. Advanced creators grow from browse. So if you suddenly see a browse feature appear on your analytics, don't ignore it. Study that video. What was different? Was the hook stronger? Was the topic broader? Was the title curiosity based? Because that video contained clues. If you watch this video up to this minute, like this video, comment so that YouTube can push this video to more creators like us. So sign number 5, random subscriber spike. If you randomly gain 5 to 10 subscribers in a day without a viral video, pay attention. That means new audience are discovering you. Subscribers are a result of trust. People don't subscribe because of one good thumbnail. They subscribe because they see potentials. If small subscriber spikes are happening, it means your brand is becoming clearer. Your authority is increasing, even if it feels small. And here is the dangerous part. This is usually when creators quit, because growth still feels slow, but YouTube growth is quiet before it's loud. It builds under the surface. Think of YouTube growth as you planting on your farmland. That crop which you have planted, it needs to die first and then gain momentum at the surface of the earth before coming out. By the time that plant is coming out, it has gained root, it has gained ground. It is coming out now to just show to people that a plant was here. That is how your YouTube channel, that's how you need to think about your YouTube channel. Nothing happened for weeks, then suddenly explosion. Your channel was growing underground all this while. So let me ask you something honestly. Are you quitting because it's not working, or the growth is slow? There is a difference. Most creators don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because they leave too early. Some leave at 200 subscribers, some leave at 500, some leave at 1,000. They quit during the testing phase and they never see the push phase. So if you are seeing rising click-through rate, impression spikes, higher watch time, browse traffic, small subscriber boosts, that is not coincidence. That is movement. And movement means momentum is building. Do not quit. Keep showing up. Keep posting, because your breakthrough is around the corner. If this video helps you to understand the algorithm better, don't forget to subscribe to Grow with Kelvin. And comment below, which of these 5 signs are you experiencing on your channel right now? And if you're serious about growing, watch this video right here.